your winter wardrobe, all those grays and black sweaters, because you're still wanting to hide your winter body, I hear ya. But I'm here today to tell you there's nothing like bright color and some fun in your outfit to brighten your day and jump into spring. Have some fun. Hi, I'm Shelly and Cinch, and I am the creator of Cinch It. It's a little fashion fix accessory that allows anyone to enhance the fit and style of their garments, like dresses and blouses and t-shirts. And I've just found that when our clothes fit better or look better, we are more confident. And that is my mission. I have been in women's empowerment for a long time. I wrote a book about 10 years ago to encourage everyone to live the life of their dreams. And that's all about being confident in who you really are. So today, I just want to share a couple little things. The first thing is, have some fun with color. Know the color that looks good on you. I also like to wear a lot of black and white. It's just simple when you travel, but there's nothing like brightening your mood and brightening your energy when you add color. So find some color that looks really good on you and makes you feel good when you look in the mirror. The other thing is, you can just simply add some jewelry. Have fun with jewelry, and just, again, jewelry is a great way to express your own personality. There's nothing like having something really cool on and somebody says, "Oh, I love that necklace." So have some fun with that. Simple, simple tips. And one more thing, if you happen to have your Cinch It on you, grab one. Grab your Cinch It and create your own style. I love putting Cinch Its all over my tops, especially. So just go on the side, anywhere. Just poke it through. Don't worry about where it is. You pull the fabric through on the inside, readjust, and add a little angle to a top. But don't stop there. I'm telling you, the more Cinch Its I wear on my items, the more compliments I get. There's nothing better than having someone say, "You look so pretty today," or "I love that top." So you can create your own style. No one can find this top anywhere because it's mine. I created it using Cinch It. So if you want to have some fun and you're ready for a little bit of fun energy and just that pop of spring, then go on over to my Cinch It YouTube channel. I'm going to be adding videos every single week. Subscribe, do a thumbs up, and listen, there's no reason why you can't love your style every day and be more confident.